What's up, guys? This is Mr. Adams. Having a rough morning. Okay. So first of all, I gave the whole speech about how like they say 1, 2, 3, and then they pause it. It's pretty funny, and it's like the most excited part to get in the whole thing. But anyway, and then I stopped it instead of pushing play. So here's part two. Here's how if you couldn't figure it out, here's how you do it. Okay. And then I started the video again, and I made the code, and I did this, and I clicked on this. Like I had a little box here, and I just kind of ignored it, whatever. So then when you run it, then it gets stuck. So this is a stop point. So we're debugging right now, and then you can break down, like you can see, well, up to here it works good, and then the next step doesn't work good, and that's why it's broken and that kind of stuff. All right, so we don't want those breakpoints there. Just click off of that. All right, so this is the bare bones program that we have. Okay, so I tell what motor pin it's in, and then I tell it, hey, this is my motor pin, and then I use analog write. Okay, so start the simulation. Boom, run good, fast. That's good. All right. Okay, so now I put my pin in there, and you can either pause it and look, or you can look off of the thing. Now, off of the thing is this, and then boom, I'm going to put mine up top because I'm going to copy some of the code. All right. Okay, so now I wire this good. This is in pin 2. All right. Now my pin, I'm going to basically have 3 things I need to do. And first of all, we got the const int button, I don't know, 1 pin. And that equals 2, right? Remember? And then we need something called pin mode. Or no, we'll go button. I don't know. I call the button 1, I think. And we got to make that equal 0. All right? Okay. And that's going to make life a little bit easier. All right. Now we need to tell our, we told who's coming. Now we got to get the party ready. So we got pin mode. And then we want to do button pin 1, pin, right, comma, input this time, right? So we want that to be input. And then over here, we want to read the pin. So we're going to say button 1 equals analog. Let's see. Oh, no, not analog, digital. Digital read. And then we want button pin 1. Okay. All right. So then we just want a pretty easy if-else statement. So if button 1 equals 1, squiggle bracket, turn that on, okay? And then we want an else, so we want to give the else ears. I think that's kind of the easiest way to do it. And then we will go 0. All right, so if button 1's 1, turn on, otherwise it's 0. Now we'll close this code out here, zip down a little bit. Okay, I gotta unscroll my wheel. Over here, start simulation. I did something wrong here. So now we got to check. Oh, did I? Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. So button 1 pin. Oh, you see I capitalized pin, and I did not capitalize pin. Right. Where did it say that? See how I said button 1 pin, and then I said button pin 1. So that's no good. All right, and then also notice how the orange thing always like shows right before wherever the mistake is. I don't know why they would do that. Okay, so there's running. It's 0. Running, that's not what we want, though. We want to push the button to make it run. So we're going to stop the simulation. We're going to change this to a 0. Start the simulation. We did nothing. Push down, run, stop. All right. Okay, so you got to do that with a whole nother motor and button. All righty. Peace. All right, how's it going, Patrick?
It's Thursday. Friday can't get your human.
What? Why do you say that?
No, this is